Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to review a new color from Envy. The color is Honey Breeze, and I'm going to show it to you on the style Eve. Now, I have reviewed Eve before, and I think it's an adorable short style, but I wanted to unbox this for you because it's a new color from Envy. Again, Honey Breeze is the color. So this wig was given to me by wigstudio1.com to review for you today, so be sure to go there and check out all the Envy wigs. There will be information in the drop down box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. If you want to know more about this wig I'm wearing, check the drop down box below. And let's get started and have a look at Eve in the color Honey Breeze. Okay guys, let's unbox Eve by Envy in Honey Breeze. Comes in this beautiful white and gold box. Alright, first thing off, it has a take care card, has all kinds of information about how to shampoo it, how to condition it, how to dry it, what you can and can't use on it. That is always good information, so that is included in this. Alright, has a hairnet on it, so let's unbox it here. It has this comes in with shipping to hold the style. The paper. Oh wow, okay, this is this new color, Honey Breeze. So I can tell by just looking at this is going to be a classic bob. And yeah, this is a really pretty color. Of course, I'm going to show you this in outdoor lighting. Let's have a look at the inside of the cap. This is going to be super low density. I can tell that already as well. It has a lace front and a mono part. It's open wefted. It has closed ear tabs with stays. It has a non-extended felt nape. And there's a lot of stretch in this wig. Very low density. Soft lace. Again, I'm going to give you a look at the inside of this. I want you to see that lace front. It's going to have a short nape. I just want to look at this color again. Has a medium brown root. Lots of dimension here. Medium brown. There's some blonde mixed in here. Medium brown and medium blonde. Very cool. This is nice. This is nice. I can't wait to try it on. So let's do that. Let's try on Eve and Honey Breeze. Okay, you know I'm going to shake it good. Let's try it on. Okay, it fits me really large. Going to tell you that right off. Very large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is really big. I'm going to have to really cinch this in. Again, super low density. First thing I always do is put some water through it. It's just my way. I like this rooting. It's not overdone. It is a dark brown root. And I just want to work some water through it. See what I'm working with here. You're not going to make this big hair. This is not big hair. This is very sleek. Yep, classic bob. Lace front. Let me just give you a look here. Coverage. There's my bio hair, here and here. Ear tab right at the top of my ear. Has good coverage there. If you have a larger size circumference, this is probably going to work for you. Like I said, let me just pull that. Let me just brush through it. I have a wide tooth comb. We'll have a look at the back. Short nape. Yeah. You could cut some bangs into this if you wanted to, because it has this lace front, but it has this sweeping bang. Let's see. Very low density. If that's what you're looking for, this is a very low density style. Put this behind your ears easily. This style easily will go behind your ears. Let's see how it looks completely off the face. with the headband. Yep, easy to do there. Now, as you know, I always pull out some to cover any hair, any of my bow hair. Easy to camouflage that. Just pull out a little bit around the front. And you can easily wear this completely off your face like that. I would put some styling product in this to really piece this out. You could do that. A little clip in it if you wanted to take it off your face again and wear it like that. Lots of ways to style Eve by Envy. Alright, like I said, I would probably use a little styling product. I have some Aesthetica sea salt spray here. I'm just going to spray a little bit of this in here. Show you how I do that. And I like to do that. This just gives it a little more texture. As you can see, it separates these fibers, which is just how I like it. I want to mess this up. I don't want to wear it too fixed. And this has a nice profile on this wig as well. Really low density again. I just want you to know. Make sure you see that. Has a lot of movement here. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, let's talk about some specs on here. The bang on this, as we were saying, is a long 6.5. Again, if you wanted to trim this, you could. The crown on this one is 7.5. The sides are 2.75. The nape is 1.5. It has that short 1.5 inch nape, and it only weighs 2.85 ounces. Really nice, the density like we're talking about. You can part it. You could bear, if you wanted to move this part, you don't have a lot of room, but you have a little bit of room. If you wanted to adjust this just a little, not a lot with this part, but you could if you just wanted to move it a tad one way or the other. Just as long as you stay within that mono part, you'll be fine. And again, has this beautiful lace front. Nice style, beautiful new color from Envy. Alright, that was a quick look at this new color by Envy Honey Breeze in the style Eve. Please, again, if you're new, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check this out at wigstudio1.com. And follow me over on Instagram at Crazywiglady. And don't forget, I have a website, Crazywiglife. I'll put it up here somewhere. Crazywiglife.com. And that is where I sell some of my personal collection. So be sure to check it out over there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.